Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I would like to share on how we can create a splash screen and the bottom navigation using the Flutter and that. So in this video, we discuss the basic concept how we can create the splash screen on our mobile application. So splash screens means that when you launch your application, it will give you some animations or some logo for the application before it's go for the home page. So in this tutorial, we will discuss on how to create the splash screen in the Flutter. So the concept of this video, we will try to explain from the splash screen, then we go for the home. The concept is we launch our applications and then it will appear the splash screen, and then after the splash screen done, maybe for 3 to 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and then it will jump to the home page, the main page of our application. And at this home page, I will show on bottom navigation in our mobile application. So in this project, basically when you create this the new Flutter application project through your Android Studio, so there are 3 main files that you can create it. Okay, the first one, we have the main.dart. We run the main part. So from the main, we'll call the splash file, the splash screen, and then from the splash screen, after it finish, it will appear the mobile homepage, the homepage of the mobile application. So these are the concept and the numbers of file that related to this mobile application. Okay, so the first part, let's look at the main.dart file. So this is the main file. So this file will call the splash screen. Okay, so in your main.dart file, you need to import the package Flutter material done. Okay, this one is the main package. And then because we want to call the splash screen, so you need to import the package of splash screen.dart. So this one is based on your project name. So basically in the main.dart file, you have the void main. So this will call the main application. Okay, this one is stateless because we don't change anything. Okay, so we can use a stateless. We have the dynamic and static stateless, and then dynamic we call for stateful. Okay, so under this part, it will return the material app home splash screen. So this will call the splash screen file. Okay, done for the main.dart file. Okay, next we go for the splash screen. Okay, for the splash screens, the basic concept of this splash screen, we have the text and we put also the logo of the mobile application. Okay, so after the splash screen run, it will call the main page, the home page. So we need to add the navigation bar underscore bottom home.dart file. So this is the package that we want to import because we want to call that class. Okay, so under the splash screen, so this one we have the stateful widget. Okay, we use the stateful widgets. Okay, and then we have the init state. Okay, this one is the init state, means it will do initialization a function. Okay, so it has the init state here. So inside the init state, it will call the navigate home. Okay, it will call the navigate home function. So this is the function. So before we call the function, you need to create this function. So this function, okay, when you call the splash, it need to wait for several times. So in this video, I show you that it will wait for delay for 5 seconds. So the second you can choose, either you want to use millisecond or second or minutes and so on. Okay, there is no uh agreement here, so we just make it nothing happen. So this one I choose 5 seconds, so the splash screen will appear for 5 seconds before it goes to the home page. So this one, it will, after the splash screen, okay, it will call the home page. So this one is the process of calling the home page. That's why we need to import the home.dart. Okay. So we need to use the push replacement. Okay. But why we use the push replacement? Because we do not allow our user to click on the back button. Okay, because this is a splash screen. Okay. So this is the concept. What will happen? Uh, the splash screen will delay on 5 seconds, and then after that it will call the home page. Okay, this is the basic concept. And then the next code is written on what will happen on the splash screen. Okay, what are the things that we put inside the splash screen. So this one is the things that we put inside the splash screen. Okay, we use the material app. So on the part we have the home and then scaffold. Okay, and then this one, the background colors. I choose the amber. It's up to you. You can change the background colors of your splash screen. Okay, and then I want to put the text and the image at the center. Okay, in this part we have two things. One is the logo and another one is the text. So we want to put at the center. So we use body center. Okay, and then body center is wrap the child. So inside the child we have one column, because we want to make it one column after the logo, and then it will be a text. Okay, so we need to put the alignment at center. We want to put it at center. So we have another two container. The first container is about the logo, and the second container is about the text. So we want to arrange the logo first and then followed by the text. So the logo, we have the image.asset. We need to call the file, the logo file, and then we can set the height and the width. Okay, this one for the image. And then after the image, below the image, we want to put the text that we call Smart Campus. It's up to you. It's a demonstration. Okay, and then you can put style for the text style, font size, the weight font. Okay, you can post italic or bold, or maybe you can use the font family here. Okay, so for this case I just use text style and the font weight. So you want to bold this text and put this tag under the logo. Okay, in Flutter, before you can add this image, you can create. Okay, you need to create first the folder inside the navigation, inside your project. You need to create the images folder here, and then after that, after you create it, you need to put your logo here, your images here. Okay, and then after you're done with that part, you need to open your pubspec.yaml file. So you need to declare the asset here. Okay, after you declare, you need to click on the pubget in order to call the dependency, all the dependencies of this project. So this one is the basic things. Okay, done with the splash screen. So from the splash screen, you know that it will call the home page after 5 seconds. So the next part is about the home page. So this one is the what I call on the bottom, and how to create this bottom navigation. Okay, So this is your home page. So basically it has the title here, Smart Campus. Yeah, this one is, we can consider as the header part. Okay, and then this one is the body part. So inside the body part, I create 3 container. Okay, my campus, my course, my timetable. This one you can replace as the button if you want to create a button, but this one is just show the layout of the home page. Okay, and then this one is the body part, and then the bottom one is the navigation part. So this is the navigation part, and then I put the icon. We have 4 icon here and another button. Okay, this one you can learn more on the library. You can make it on the left, on the center, or on the right. Okay, so in order to create the home page part, okay, what you need to import the package flutter material.dart. And this one is the main part. Okay, and then you can use the stateful widget. Just type st and something, and then it will pop up stateless or stateful. You just click on the stateful. Okay, so this is your home page. So you need to create a class of page class for you. Okay, so inside your home page part, inside this class, we need to build the widgets. So return material app here. Home, we have the scaffold, and then the application bar here, we want to put the smart campus, and then you can style it your text. Foreground with the black colors, background with the colors embrace. Okay, this one you can choose your own colors. So this part, in order to display this area, the header part of the application. Okay, the next part is about the body part. Okay, so this code will display this kind of interface. So we have padding here, body padding. So we have padding at this area. Okay, I put const age instead of 30. Okay, you can play around with the numbers. And then after that, I have one column. It created one column. And then under the column, I have the children. So the children, I put the container. So this one is first container. Okay, and then make it a color using the box decorations. And then inside this container, I put the text. So inside the container, I put another children that we call a text. My campus. And then you can copy again what you have done here in order to create another container here. So this one refer to this container, my course, and this one refer to inner. So we have done with the header part, and then this one is the part. So the next part is about on how you can create the bottom in here. So basically, you have one row here with multiple icon. So you can refer to this code. Okay, you want to create the bottom navigation. So bottom navigation here. So inside of bottom navigation, you can specify the color. So I choose amber color. And then, okay, this one is circle notch rectangle. Okay, this one. And then I put in a row. In a row, I have icon home. Yeah, icon home here. And then this one is like a button. So if you create another function, let's say on press home, it will direct you to another page. When you click on camera, it will open your camera. So this is, you can put it under the on press button. And then this one for the photo. Okay, another icon here I put is account circle, and this one is icon for setting. So this is how, okay, how we arrange the icon inside the navigation. Okay, And then in order to create this button, you can use the floating action button here. Okay, this one for add. So the icon is add. Okay, you want to make it at center, so you put center dock. You want to make it left, so you can put left or right. So that's all for the process of creating this home page. Okay, and then how it's work. It's work like this one. You can look at this video. So when you run splash screen, after 5 seconds, it will display the page. So that's all. Hopefully this one will help you in order to create your project mobile application later on. Thank you and assalamualaikum.